Hello, Alan. So this is the example page, the design the client prefers. So you can refer this. And the big issue, right, they say the design doesn't keep him engaged like this. So as long as you can do something similar to this, then we'll be okay. Here is some of the example. The first one. So I think they prefer something slightly more playful with this kind of graphic, which is I think is easier for them to read rather than a whole chunk of the text. Okay, like this. So I think perhaps they don't want something a lot of text. They need slightly more playful, especially with color. I think this is like white, blue, something like that, or maybe too simple lah. Maybe it's too plain, too simple. But this kind of design is more playful, more happening, more stand out for every single message. How they are perform like this, how they are perform, more interesting way. You see, with this kind of the design. Hello. 好啊，等下我下来拿。Okay, sorry. So, example this one. Yeah, they are something like this, so easier to read. I think you can handle that lah, right? More happening. So with some graphic like this. By the way, they have the login for me. I will send you the login for the software so you can have a look. Right? So it's more playful kinds of graphic and more happening. This is their number one preference. You see? Yeah, they are mentioned they love something like this. There is another comment. Later I will send to you in the Figma. Alright. So yeah, they also say they want the offer to be something like this kind of feel, this kind of look and feel, and this kind of icon. Okay, yeah, something like this, more happening in terms of the design elements, you see, and then the colors. There's not so boring like the existing design is boring and very plain. This one is very playful, creative, and interesting, more interesting, right? More elements. This one also, you see, this kind of elements, colors. This one, some graphic here. Okay, and then yeah, something like this. Right. So I think that's about it. So you mentioned you can handle by Sunday, right? So I will inform clients. So make sure this time just commit their timeline. So because they are already waiting quite some time, so we hope we can finalize this as soon as possible for them. And then yeah, I will attach the comment. Yeah, I think the comment is here. Yes, the comment is here. Here's more comment. So I will send you this as well. I will send you this, alright, so you can have a look for their comment. the comment. Oh, never mind, I will send you another link later. Alright, that's about it. Thank you.